Hey there, funnel builders. How are you doing? Mike here with another video on how to save another $300 a month minimum by using HighLevel. So what we're going to look at is 5 tools that basically HighLevel is going to replace or remove or eliminate the need for. This is even available on the $97 a month version that they have. If you want a free trial of their $497 a month for 30 days, which is their HighLevel like SaaS mode, which allows you to package this up and sell it to customers, you can actually get a 30-day free trial by heading to gohighlevel.com/Mike-Killen. But in the meantime, let's look at this and some of these tools. This is a second one. Previously, I think we saved over $500 by looking at 5 other tools, and I wanted to look at 5 more tools, so 10 in total, that we're going to replace. So you're looking at almost $800 a month that you can save. This is your business, right? Sales, admin, and operations. Operations, also known as delivery. So sales and marketing, how you generate leads and close people. Operations, delivery, how you give them the results that they've bought. And admin is how you run your business. The first thing I want to look at is hosting. First of all, you can build websites, you can build funnels, you could build your entire site architecture using HighLevel, as well as, so you have the site, the funnels, and even if you had like some kind of course or delivery, you could do that all inside. But they also now do WordPress hosting. So for the same flat rate, you could put your WordPress hosting in there as well. We currently use WP Engine. We will probably be moving away from them pretty swiftly. WP Engine, I think, is $49 a month, 3 sites, yes, 7,500 visitors, 15 gig of storage. Cool. So I would say that it's about $49 a month or £49. It's probably about the same. Yanks, is it the same for you guys? About $50 a month for that one. Great. So that's our first one there. So we've saved roughly $50 there already. The second piece, and this is a bit of a weird one, is Skype. I'm trying to just use a bland, general VoIP service. One of the things that I really like to do is if someone signs up to a lead magnet, try to get them on the phone as quickly as possible. If we're qualifying them, just run phone calls. And through HighLevel, you can actually just, I'll even show you, I've got it here. You see this green call button here? I click that. I can dial a number, say which number I want to call from, and we've got a bunch of them. And then it just does it through my headset, through the computer, and we pay a super low rate. It's like cents, tenths of a cent per minute or something. We also send text through this as well. I know businesses that are currently using Skype as their VoIP system or another VoIP system. We used to use SIP Central, I think is what we used to use. I can't remember now, but that ran at about 16 quid a month, 10 quid a month. Let's say 10 quid a month. What's their Skype plan here? Subscription, unlimited minutes, 40 a month. North America, 6 quid a month. Let's say plus minutes, a tenner a month, plus your whatever it is that you're using. And so we're going to put that in through admin. So calls, VoIP. And what we use is we replace Skype or whatever you're using at around tenner a month. And you just get to do it all through your phone. Here's the other crazy thing, using the Lead Connector app, which is available. Let me see if I can bring this up. This app here, this is the HighLevel app. I can actually find people that I want to have conversations with. And I might not have it on this version, but coming soon is the ability to make calls through that VoIP system through your phone, where you'll be able to have conversations with people. They do have the ability to text people already. So I can have a conversation with Mike here. I can literally select him and type in a message like that, and it basically will text him, which is insane, from whatever number I want. So let's say for a tenner a month, that eliminates that cost. And I don't think we pay way less than that. I don't know, maybe $30 across the whole team, something like that, which is kind of insane. So that's another tool that we've got. So we've got 3 there. Intercom for generating calls and leads and sales and basically having chats on your site is super powerful. Every business in the world has Intercom at the moment, but HighLevel has a version which works as well. You can either use it through their platform, you can use it through their chat. It can also connect to Google My Business and Facebook pages, and again, you can use it via the phone. Intercom runs about $67 a month perfectly when billed annually. So I'm even going to be generous and say $67 per month. And we'll say, yeah, per month, because you pay annually. It's about $99 a month. I think if you pay actually monthly rather than annually. That there means HighLevel will install on your site or on your customer's site the ability for a little pop-up, have a conversation. There's even some kind of crazy stuff which they can do with like AI and things, whereby you can have conversations with people now, all from one app, from one screen, have them measured through the pipeline, check into their accounts without having to do any CRM management. And that's all inside the regular standard 97 a month. If you install that alone for your customers, let's say that you decide to go for the 497 a month SaaS, and you say, well, for 97 a month, I will give you basically Intercom plus a few extra pieces. It already pays for itself for your customers to move over, and it's white labeled under your service, which is pretty insane to me. The next one, here we go. Yeah, pricing Intercom. Yeah, 67 a month. Okay. Next up, let's look at videos. So Vimeo for pricing. I don't know how I'm going to find the pricing on this one, but it's roughly speaking, I think about, where are we? How much is Vimeo? Got it listed out here. I have Vimeo listed as 16 quid a month, or 16 bucks a month. I can't quite remember, because I'm logged in, it will show that. You don't need Vimeo if you want to create videos for the delivery side here. So courses, you can actually just upload them, and they have a 1080p course function within HighLevel to deliver courses. So if I go into my sites here somewhere, wherever they are, you can see, I look at memberships and then products. Let's get rid of that. If I look at the Double Your Revenue course that we've got, you can see here we have the video plays, and it plays at 1080p. This is not through Vimeo, this is through HighLevel, and we've just uploaded it. This is insane and crazy powerful. They even have a way to be able to do it for things like video sales letters, but your main thing is obviously around courses. Like, why not just put them in one location? You can still download them. They can have the option to download them if you wanted to. Very powerful. So that's 16 a month, nice and simple. And the final one, something like Kajabi, which is great, roughly 150 bucks a month. The 319 is great if you are like a power user, but we found that most people who want to deliver courses, so that's courses, and we want to do videos here. So we have Vimeo at 16 ish, and the courses, again, roughly speaking, 159. The 319, I think we've seen people use it and it's super powerful, but there's quite a big gap between what you get for 159 and 319. So most people we found on 159 to deliver courses, upsells, one-click upsells, one-time offers, video sales letters, the funnel process all the way through. So for delivery, you also get a little bit of things like the funnels and sales pages, checkouts. You can also do like text to pay, so you can send people texts and they can text you back their information and pay that way. Super powerful. So what have we got here? That's 159, 16, 49, 10, and 67, 9 and 9, 18. So that's 25, is it? Terrible at maths. 10, 11, 17, 19, 295, so around $397. I've obviously done the maths there wrong, but yeah, 300 bucks is not too bad to save to move your tools over to HighLevel. So hopefully that gives you another insight as to how to start saving money using HighLevel. If you were to resell it, bearing in mind it's $497 a month to have an entire SaaS platform built for you, and they will even do the setup for you for like 99 bucks or something with other customers. You could sell an Intercom style chat widget that also links with Google My Business and a Facebook page seamlessly, and even text and email from your phone. You could do all of that for 97 a month, and they would still be saving money, and you would be able to make a super serious profit on that if you just got 6 people on board, which is insane to me. So that is how we are migrating another 5 tools over to HighLevel. Chances are we will probably keep Vimeo, which is not a huge expense. We've got rid of Skype. I think, like I said, we were using like SIP channel or something. SIP Champion, I can't remember. Chats we got rid of entirely, and we're using just via HighLevel. All of our hosting will eventually be done by HighLevel as well. And of course, our courses are taken care of by HighLevel as well. So guys, if you want the templates and pieces that I'm talking about, you can actually get a 30-day free trial of SaaS mode, and I'll be talking about that in another video, how to build that out. If you go to gohighlevel.com/Mike-Killen, you can get a 30-day free trial of their pro mode, and that's where you can basically create a SaaS business for your agency from scratch, which is absolutely insane to me. All of this stuff is included in that. In the meantime, I will see you on another video. Thanks very much for checking me out. Let me know if this was useful down in the comments below. Other than that, have courage, commit, and take action. Bye, guys.